Hello and welcome to my video today. This is a quick update on waterproofing behind the front bumper. In that video, I talked about the temperature sensor right here, and that you need to make sure that this is waterproofed with the silicone tape and wire loom. But I didn't notice down below on the same wiring harness is the active grill shutter module, which this is the active grill right here. These slats will open and close depending on the cooling needed for the car. So let me go down below here and show you what it looks like. So this is the wiring harness. This goes to the temperature sensor. This here is the active grill shutter connector. So make sure you take this off, inspect it, and then seal it up with silicone around the outside and then wire loom around that. All right, so I got this connector out and it looks pretty good. I just took some canned air and blew it out. Doesn't look like there's any water inside, so I am going to reconnect and then seal it. So if you notice, I used some channel lock pliers and a flathead screwdriver to push down the tab here. So it is a bit tricky to get out, but it did come out. You don't want to pull on the wires, you want to pull on the actual connector because the wires could come loose, so you don't want to do that. At this point, I'm going to reconnect and then seal it up. So just want to give you a quick update on that since I didn't catch that in the first video. I also want to give you a quick look at some additional waterproofing I did. It is not totally required, but I did it anyway. There are 6 ultrasonic sensors. For example, one right here, 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 and there. So I wrapped all of those. Then there is the right turn signal, the left turn signal. There's the radar here. I wrapped that up. And then also the camera. So if you got to take the bumper off, you might as well seal all those components to just give you better peace of mind that they can resist water intrusion. Well, that's about it for my video. Just a quick update. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.